How to create tasks in Horde. This tutorial assumes that you've already logged into Horde webmail. Now let's learn how to create a task. Adding a task is equivalent to adding to a to-do list. It gives you a reminder of the upcoming task. Click the Tasks menu. This is the Tasks page where we can view incomplete, future, and completed tasks. Click the New Task button. This is the page where we can add a new task. Options for a task include Assignee, a due date, an alarm, a priority level, and a description. Let's go ahead and add a new task. You can optionally set tags for this new task. From the Assignee drop-down window, select the Task Assignee. You can set the task to private if you wish. Set the due date, delay start until, and alarm options as per your needs. Set the priority of the task as per your needs. Click the Recurrence tab. If you want to set this task up to recur every so often, you can do that here. Click the Description tab. Enter a description here. Click Save when finished. That's it. The new task has been added and can be seen here. This is the end of the tutorial. You now know how to create tasks in Horde.